What's up, guys? This is a video comparing the PackerGear STP and the Mr. Limpy. I will be showing them. If that's something that would make you uncomfortable, then watching this video probably isn't the best. This video will also have me in my underwear, but that'll be later on, and I'll give another warning before that. So if that's also not something you want to see, you know when to leave. Yeah. Okay, so first one is the PackerGear STP. It doesn't bend that well. If you gotta pack with it, you gotta pack like kind of sideways. But it's an STP, so you can pee out of it. You don't need a harness or anything to wear this one. You need, like, for me, I can just wear it with tight underwear, and it keeps it in place. And if I have tight pants on, that also helps. And overall, it's pretty good for packing. It's just, it always looks like you're hard. And if someone gives you a hug or anything, then they're just gonna feel like some resistance, and they may think, And this other one is Mr. Limpy. And I got this 2 days ago, and I already love it. Because it can bend this way, so you can pack with it like that, or to the side like some people, or up like some people, and just whatever works best for you. This, I haven't worn it with tight underwear yet, but I have a pair of underwear that has a pouch, and it keeps it in place. I've heard that you need either packing underwear or harness for these. You probably do. I don't know if you could get away with just wearing it in tight underwear, but it does look somewhat realistic. Not great though. Just wash this, but if any part of it comes in contact with your skin, and like while you're wearing it, and it stays in contact with it for a while, it's gonna be pretty sticky. Like I said, just wash this, but like it'll stick. The bad thing is it's not an STP, so you can't be out of it. That's where this one is awesome. So yeah, now I'm going to put these in a pack with them and show you a little bit what it looks like. So again, if that's something that would make you uncomfortable, you should probably click off the video now. Alright, so this one is the PackerGear STP. I wear it up and pointed to the left. I just think that it looks better, feels more natural that way. This is what it looks like if you need to pee out of it. Just simply just pop it out of the pouch, up with it, pee, and then put it back up. So, you can see, it kind of looks like I'm going to pull my pants up so you can see what it looks like, under sweatpants. That is what this one looks like. And here's a Mr. Limpy. I just got it in where it just goes down over it. So it kind of looks like that. And also, put it up here where it doesn't stick out quite so far. The pouch on this thing is kind of baggy, so I like it. There you go. And How you wear these is entirely up to you. You can wear them up over that way, or over this way, or down to the side, which like that, or down in front. Down in front, and underwear, and pants, that's kind of like that. And both of these products are under $20. I got them from ftmessentials.com, I think. I'll put it down in the description. And the Mr. Limpy was, I think, $11.95. And the PackerGear one was, I think, $14.95. And these underwear, I'll put a link to them. Also, these are comfy packs, hidden pouch brace, I think that's what they're called. And they were $14.99. So, yeah. See, if you want to get all three of them, that's like $40-something, I think. But I hope this helped a little bit. And yeah. Goodbye.